Hey. Welcome back to Right to Independence. This is your Business Monday, and I'm your host, Trish. Today, we're talking about AI and the opportunities it's creating. Because there's a lot of fear right now around AI. People are worried about their jobs, their future. But I'm here to tell you something different. There is still so much opportunity out there. No matter how advanced AI becomes, it can't replace real human connection. I'm going to give you a list of careers and service-based businesses that I believe will continue to thrive no matter where technology goes. So instead of worrying about AI, start asking yourself, where are the opportunities for me? Let's dive in. Now let's start with something we all know is never going away, and that's healthcare. Nurses, caregivers, physical therapists, people who are taking care of other human beings. AI can assist, but it can't replace compassion, presence, and real care. How about teaching, coaching, and mentoring? AI can give information, but it can't guide, support, and truly connect with someone the way a human can. And this is a big one. Service-based businesses, painting, cleaning, landscaping, transportation services, construction, because AI can't show up on a job site and physically build a house or commercial building. Just like AI can't put out fires or respond to a domestic situation the way a police officer has to. These are real hands-on human jobs, and they aren't going anywhere. And I'll tell you from my own experience, when I painted a room in my house, I realized very quickly why people hire painting companies. And I don't think AI is going to change my oil anytime soon. Another huge opportunity, personal services, concierge services, personal assistants, secretaries, receptionists, hairstylists, manicurists. These services are essential, and I truly believe there's no way AI will ever be able to replace them. Now, let me give you a real example of this. My niece had a resume company, and she was doing very well for many years with a few employees. But once AI started taking off, people started using it to write their own resumes. So she started thinking, what about doing something else? And that's exactly what she did. She pivoted. She moved into something completely different and started a painting company. Now, why did she pick painting? Well, probably because she always liked to paint. So that became a natural transition for her. And that's what you have to think about. If you lose your job tomorrow, what are you good at? What do you naturally enjoy doing? Because if you ever have to pivot, you already have something to move into. And this is where discovery comes in. You have to do some discovery work and really ask yourself, what skills do I already have? What can I turn into a service? Because when things shift, and they will, you don't want to be starting from zero. You want to already have an idea of where you can go. And that's what I want you to understand. When something shifts, you don't stop, you move, you adjust, and you figure it out. I'll tell you something else that really surprised me. I was offered AI headshots, and I thought, come on, there's no way these are going to look natural. But wow, was I blown away. Not only did they look professional, it saved me a ton of money. And I didn't have to buy a full package. I got to pick only the ones I wanted and pay per image. So if you're wondering where to start, ask yourself these things. Where are people struggling? What do they not understand? What do they not want to do themselves? And if you can solve one of those problems, you have a business. So here's what I want you to take away from today. Start thinking about these things now. Don't wait until AI comes for your job. Better yet, why wait at all? Start doing your discovery now. Start thinking about what you're good at, what you enjoy, and what you can turn into a service. Because you don't want to wait for the day your boss comes to you and says you're being laid off. Service-based businesses are always going to be here. People will always need help, support, and human connection. You just have to figure out what works for you. If you found this episode helpful, I encourage you to go back and listen to my other Business Monday episodes. And if you're ready to take the next step, I do offer one-on-one consultations. Don't forget to follow the podcast so you never miss an episode. Until next time, keep driving your dreams to reality, one step at a time.